Welcome to Friends World TV. I'm Varun Tiwari. Today we are just catch up with the new name coming up in the community, the Little India Australia. Just catch up with the President Gurmeet Singh Tuli. What the points are coming up with the theme Little India Australia going to be in Harris Park. Gurmeet ji, Kamal ji, and Rahul ji, welcome to the program. We want to know about the Little India Australia or Little India. What the organization is coming up with the new idea.
Okay, thanks Varunji for giving us an opportunity to present our views in regards to Little India, and I'm very thankful to Friends World TV who has invited us here today so that we can put our voice through to the public. Today in our team we got Gurmeet Tuli, President of Little India Australia, then I got Kamal Deep Singh who is a Vice President, and I got Rahul Luthra. He is a young guy in our team and he is taking the responsibility of the secretary. Okay, I would like to clear some facts. What's happening is Little India Australia is a non-profitable organization and we are working to brand Little India in Harris Park. Common problem comes are when we say Little India Harris Park, people are confused. It's a whole Harris Park. No, I would like to clear, we are trying to brand Little India for 3 states, namely Vikram State, Marion State and Station State. And our whole objective of Little India is that because the most of the business owners in that state, which is Vikram State, Marion State and Station States are of Indian origin, and we are trying to position Little India in Harris Park as a Little India precinct only.
And what is the benefit of that, Kamalji?
Little India will create a big opportunity for all nationalities. So it will be a diversified community network. So everybody is welcome in Little India. So it will create job opportunities for all kind of people. And it is not only limited to Indians only. So it will be economically growth for like more tourist destination, and it will be like a one-stop shop for everything. You can buy groceries, you can buy fashion clothes, jewelry, restaurant, food, everything is there. So that's what we are trying to do to make it as Little India.
And what is the action plan?
Well, there are a lot of things in the pipeline at the moment, but if you ask me about how I see about Little India Australia, I think this should have happened long time back. I'll give you a very nice example. Like, I've got an accounting practice in Harris Park, and there are a couple of people waiting outside, when there's a busy time and everything. They just don't want to come inside for the tax return for the main purpose. The reason is, whenever I ask them, they'll say, we just get a vibe of India, It's India, it's home away from home.
It's feel like India.
Exactly. So they already get this feeling. So I think this should have happened long time back. That's what I think. Yeah.
Gurmeet ji, so now what's the next? What's people who have to do?
So now what we are trying to do is, before I go into the next step, I will still say, what was the purpose of this one,
Yes.
See, about few years before, we have realized, that we are business people of Harris Park, and we got about 76 business owners in Harris Park, and out of that, 52 are our quite active members.
Yep.
And we realized that we need something of our own. And that's why the idea came up in 2016. It was the first time when we put to the public that we are going to declare this area as a Little India. We tried to work on it, but we have certain problems. But with the time, we have gone up with the problems, we have sorted it out. Now with the support of New South Wales government and the authorities and the city of Parramatta, they are basically helping us, and we have introduced a partnership concept with them, and under that partnership scheme, they are providing us all the resources to brand this name as a Little India. When you say what's next is that why we are here today. We are here today only to discuss that city of Parramatta, with the help of the councillors, has already launched a program of brand Little India on Vikram, Marion and Station States. And what happened is now, I think what happened is they have introduced a opinion poll, an online survey, where we have to scan the QR code, and I think Kamal was mentioning there is a link there.
Yes.
So I would request all people who are listening to our communication or our program today, please log on to Little India Australia Facebook page, barcode, and the link is available. Click on that, fill on the information, and say proudly that we would like to support Little India in Harris Park.
That's great. That's great. It sounds very interesting. Like
Yes.
Rahul already told, when people are coming there and it feel like a home. And
it's home away from home. They already get a vibe of, you know, that
Yes.
like they're sitting in their own states. And we've got the diversification. Like, it's not just one community dominating there. We've got all the Punjabis there. We've got South Indian people there. We've got people from Bangladesh.
Gujaratis.
It's Gujaratis, Bangladesh, Pakistan. So it's all mixed up. It's you know, we just get this feeling of harmony and cultural diversification, I would say.
So you have like full choice of food. You can get sweets from there, dosa, Punjabi food, North Indian food,
Golgappe.
yeah, live pani puri, live jalebis there, and like Parramatta Council will make a history of making Little India first time in Australia, and you can take example from Little India in Singapore.
as
So-
Rahul says before, before long time before it have to happen, but only this time the name is going to be
Yeah.
done by the council, by the proper government body.
Yes.
I think they already got the vibe of, they already had this idea back in their mind, because that's what you feel when you step into those streets.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I think that's a good step, and it's going to boost the purpose, which is, you know, just to promote the tourism and businesses locally.
So we request to everybody, please log on to the link and register yourself and tell about your thinking, what you
Opinion.
want to say about this big step coming up in the community.
And there's
Yes.
one more thing you can do. You can even send that link to your close friends and everything, and they can fill up the survey, which
Yeah.
is going to assist the government to, you know, it's like a survey that what are the things you want to add on and what are the things you want to improve
Yeah.
in those
And-
particular streets and in that particular market.
And as for being a part of Little India Australia, we proud ourselves that we have tried the best, and few years later we can see that council is also recognized our efforts and they are willing to help us out. So I would again like to thank City of Parramatta Council and their councillors who have really helped us to achieve this one and put our proposal to the council and open to the public.
And thank you very much. You are doing great
Thank you so
efforts.
much. Thank you.
Everybody, especially
Thank you.
Gurmeet Singh ji, Namal ji, and Rahul ji. Thank you for coming to the studio. And let's catch up again. And don't forget to click on the QR link. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.